I'd like to invite the father of the bride, Dennis, to come and share a few words. So if we can get a round of applause.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to all the guests, especially to our friends and relatives who came all the way from San Francisco, California, and from Brisbane, Queensland. Okay, and to all the other guests who came here, not minding the distance. Okay, not minding the distance from where they came from. I know Hunter Valley is 300 or 150 kilometers from Sydney. So, thank you. It's very much appreciated that you came here just to be with us on this very special occasion of the wedding of our daughter Carmela. So once again, thank you and welcome.
And also your siblings.
Of course. Now, what do I have to say about the newlywed? I can think of so many things, but what stands out is the word handsome. Are they not a handsome couple? Okay. Now, speaking of AJ, well, the only time that I get to see AJ is when he visit Jelly at home, and yeah, and yeah, from a distance, I would see them talking while watching TV. They're watching mostly football because both of them share the same passion for the sport. Now, once in a while, or sometimes, my wife and I would invite AJ to join us for dinner. Luckily, AJ is a not difficult dinner guest. He's not too picky about food, except when there's something that there's a liver in the menu. Yeah, which ironically is one of my favorites. So while having this dinner, that's when I get to talk with AJ more extensively, or should I say more profoundly, because I asked him some probing questions whenever I get a chance to do so. Now, those visits are few and far between. In fact, you can count them by the number of football games in a year. Maybe even less, because if you discount the days when Carmela will go to his place to watch the game. Having said that, those few occasions that I've been with AJ were enough to convince me that he's the right man for Jelly to marry. For he consistently demonstrated the qualities that a father-in-law would want for a son-in-law. He is soft-spoken, mild-mannered, courteous, respectful of elders, a true gentleman, so to speak. I had never doubted his sincerity, pure intention, love and affection for Jelly. For what better way of manifesting, affirming that kind of love than by asking her to tie the knot after having been knowing each other for more than 12 years. And I never doubted his sincerity, the purity of his intention, his love and affection for Jelly. And AJ, I address this to you. As Jelly's father, I can only vouch for her sterling character. Indeed, by marrying her, it was as if he had won the lottery. And what I can assure you, with Jelly, it is not as if, or it is not a matter of, or it is not just a matter of what you can see is what you get. It is what you don't see, is the most desirable in her. Okay, no, let me be clarified about that. What I meant is that it's Jelly's kind and loving heart that is most precious about her. Okay? Right. Let me have this drink again. Okay, we say that marriage is the union of two persons, man and woman. Just what we heard from the priest. It is two becoming one. But even more so, it is the forging of a new relationship between two families. And having said that,
Santos and Fernandez.
May I ask Alan Tess to stand up for a moment? Okay, Alan Tess, on behalf of the Fernandezes, I welcome you and your family. That includes your extended family. Thank you, may sit down now. In most wedding ceremonies, just like what happened this morning, there is this part wherein the bride walks down the aisle alongside the father. And we refer to it as the giving away of the daughter. But this morning, I chose to look at it the other way. That I was instead taking away a son. So AJ, welcome home, son. Oh, no, sorry. I forgot something. AJ and Jelly are moving to the new house. So can you take me with you instead? No, joke only. No, okay, let me end my speech by saying, everyone is...
Let's toast to the bride and groom.
Okay, let me end by saying a very simple but urgent request to the newlywed. AJ and Jelly, now that you are officially husband and wife, you can begin the process of making our first grandchild. And you have, wait. And you have to do it fast, so we can provide you with free child care while we can. Thank you.
Let's have a round of applause for Dennis.